In this tutorial, we are building a journey. When a new subscriber gets created on Mailchimp, we can see the subscriber's details on Slack. So let's create this journey. Select Mailchimp as trigger. Then choose New Subscriber as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select List. Now in steps, we have to send a message to a channel via Slack. For that, select Slack. Next, send message to channel as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the channel. Add message with name and email, so you can choose it from the new subscribers data tree. Select this field message as user or bot as yes. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Mailchimp. So we will add a subscriber. So let's fill the required fields. Select permissions and click on subscribe. Now let's get back to the journey to see the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Slack. We can see a new message on Slack with subscribers' details. In this way, we can build an automation journey to send message on Slack when a new subscriber has been added on the Mailchimp. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.